Protect and condition all your prized assets with Royal Shine Leather Protector and Conditioner. Here's how to use. Apply some Royal Shine Leather Protector on your leather settee or car dashboard and interiors and allow for a few minutes. Then buff. See how supple and shiny my leather and dashboard looks. Guess what? Regular use of Royal Shine saves your leather and furniture from discoloration and cracking. Royal Shine can also be used on surfaces such as kitchen cabinets, office furniture, beds, wardrobes, and more. The best part is Royal Shine isn't sticky, doesn't stain, and goes for all colors. Get Royal Shine today and start giving your valuable assets protection and shine.